In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate any Notion template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any template you like and make a fully editable copy in your own workspace, complete with all of its structure and example content. This is perfect when you want to save time and start with a proven layout for projects, notes, or databases. First, open the template you want to use. This could be a page from Notion's gallery or a template someone shared with you. Take a quick moment to scroll through it so you're sure it has the sections, databases, and views you need. Selecting the right template up front saves you time later because duplicating will copy the entire page structure as it is. Next, look for the three-dot menu at the top right of the page. This is the page options menu in Notion. Clicking it opens a panel with actions you can take on the page you're viewing. If you're on a smaller screen, the icon may be tucked into the header, but it's still in the top right area. Go ahead and click it to reveal the full list of options. In that menu, find the duplicate option. Hover your mouse over duplicate to reveal the sub-options. You'll see an option called Duplicate with Content. Click Duplicate with Content. This tells Notion to create a full copy of the page along with all example items inside its databases, any preset filters and sorts, as well as images, icons, covers, and text. After you click, Notion will start creating your copy. Depending on the size of the template, this may take a moment. When it's done, your duplicate will appear in your sidebar, usually under your current workspace's private section. What you have now is your own independent version of the template. The original remains unchanged, and anything you edit in your copy won't affect it. This is especially useful for templates that include sample tasks, notes, or database entries you want to learn from or adapt. If you only wanted the layout without the sample entries, be aware there's often a separate option for that. But since we chose duplicate with content, you'll get everything the author provided. If you don't see the duplicate option, it usually means the page owner has disabled duplications or you're not signed into a workspace with permission to copy. That's all there is to it. Choose your template, open the page menu, hover on duplicate, and click duplicate with content. You now have a complete starting point ready for your workflow. Enjoy building, and I'll see you in the next one.